to check if someone is online in WhatsApp. Checking if someone is online or not in WhatsApp is quite simple, but sometimes it might be difficult also. So in this video, let me show you some of the indicators and the quick and easy steps to know if someone is online or not on WhatsApp. First of all, you just have to launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Just open it. After that, go to the chat screen and select the contact whose online status you want to check. So the first indicators is you have to first send the message to this chat. If you see double check mark or the double tick mark on the message, then it means they are online. But as you can see that there is only one tick mark, that means they might be offline for now. The another indicator you can check is simply you can try ringing the call. So let's tap on the voice call at the top of the screen. If you see ringing icon or ringing option instead of calling, then that means they are online. Or let's end the call, but we just saw only calling, that means they are offline. Another thing what you can check is you can also check their last scene. So the last scene will be on their underneath the username at the top of the screen, but due to their privacy setting they might also have hidden it from everyone, so we don't see any last scene option underneath their name. So other thing what you can do is you can also use the third party apps. So there are some third party apps available on the market that claim to track the online status of WhatsApp users. However, be cautious while using such apps as they may violate WhatsApp terms of service and could potentially compromise your privacy or security. So these are some of the indicators on this video, but please note that these indicators may not always be accurate, as some users may have privacy settings that highlight or hide their online status or last seen timestamps. Additionally, these indicators only show whether the user is active on WhatsApp at the particular moment, not necessarily what they are doing within the app. So in this way, you can easily check someone's online status on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.